All right, Calvin. So this is my guitar pedal board and the Soul Food pedal I was telling you about. It's electro harmonic. So right now I have the chromatic tuner turned on. So that's like my bypass that I use. And when that's clicked on, you don't hear anything. It's kind of like my cutoff switch. So then when I turn it off, I get my clear tone through here. And then this is just clean. Sounds a little funky. Hang on. I always struggle with G. I don't know why. So, a lot of people say that this pedal is best used as like a boost, which means you've got your amp, you have like a preamp, and then you can bypass the preamp and get this really clean sound, and then you can turn the preamp on and you'll get that kind of little bit of fuzz. Hear that little bit of breakup. So then if you've got the preamp on, but we'll just say, okay, just from clean to the pedal. And I have these all pre-marked because this is the setting that I like, and I saw a bunch of really good guitar players do this, so I mark it. So it's kind of just like a light fuzz kind of sound. You can turn it up and make it a little, but it's not like a distortion pedal. Like if you want to turn the drive all the way up, you can get kind of a little bit of a brown, call it brown tone, kind of like muddy, but not like full on. Like this is your like real like gainy fuzz distortion. And this isn't that great of a distortion pedal either, but kind of does what I want to do. So here's clean. Here's Soul Food. Kind of sounds a little bit like what you hear in like Black Keys. Kind of like. That's a Black Keys song. I just made that up because it kind of sounds Black Keys like. So, where this came from? Put it over there. I like it though to use as like my kind of like a lead sound, or like they call it a boost because like you can be like, hey, you know, you set it up as like when you're gonna take a lead, so that when you like click it on, it boosts the. There's a volume knob on it too, so you can like, you can actually make it a boost. So when that pedal comes on, it like turns up the volume too. So clean. Treble knob too, which I think if you turn that up and your drive up, it'll break out. But yeah, so Soul Food.